G'day, it's Annette here from far north Queensland in Australia, and welcome to my channel. Against my better judgment, I've decided to give the resin bloom and lace technique one last try before I totally give up on myself. I've used my own white paste previously, so I know that it does cause a bit of a lace effect, but I had so far put too much in and it was too heavy and too much white. This time I'm going to try it again on the lace side. For the resin bloom side, I have sourced and purchased some DecoRom white paste to give that a try. As I live in a remote area, it's not easy for me to get products, so let's see how I go. I'm starting with the resin bloom side, and I'll be using Let's Resin Fast Cure, which is a 1-to-1, the DecoRom white paste, DecoRom alcohol inks in watermelon and mango. And for my flower sanders, I'll use some of these little gold stones.
You know just what you do to me. Play my emotions like a pair of puppet strings. Did it ever occur to you my heart's more than a toy? Please go easy on me, babe. Send message after message, forward my calls. Next day you hit me back like nothing happened at all. What about all the things you used to say to me? This ain't the way it's supposed to be. And you know I wouldn't do that to you. You know I wouldn't treat you that way. No, I've been running, can't catch up. Oh love, what I won't do. Oh, you got me chasing waterfall. Oh, you got me chasing waterfall. All of the times I've been there, times I came through, I'd meet you anywhere if it brought me closer to you. Distance is killing me, you make it so hard. Won't you let me love you, babe? Used to be optimistic, these days I just don't know. Pick a fence in the valley, I hope it's losing its hold. You know the other girls will love you like I do. Can't afford to give up on you. And you know I wouldn't do that to you. You know I wouldn't treat you that way. No, I've been running, can't catch up. Oh love, what I won't do. Oh, you got me chasing waterfall. Oh, you got me chasing waterfall. You've got me chasing waterfalls. You've got me chasing waterfalls. You got me chasing waterfalls. Oh, you got me chasing waterfall. You know just what you do to me. Play my emotions like a pair of puppet strings. Did it ever occur to you my heart's more than a toy? Please go easy on me, babe. Send message after message, forward my calls. Next day you hit me back like nothing happened at all. What about all the things you used to say to me? This ain't the way it's supposed to be. And you know I wouldn't do that to you. You know I wouldn't treat you that way. No, I've been running, can't catch.
These have all cured, and I think they've worked with that DecoRom white by the look of them. I've been umming and ahhing about how to backfill them because two of them are quite full. So I'm thinking maybe a pastel green, and I might just pipe a bit around the edges since there's not much room in there. I'm going to use Artline Honey, which is a 2-to-1 mix.
Can I be your star tonight? You fill my soul with light the day we met. I don't wanna leave your side, no. Have me by your side when the sun sets. I hope you'll still want me. I hope you'll still need me 1,000,000 years from now. The seasons are changing, the nights ever fading. It's time we left the ground. Let's leave for an eternity. We'll sail across the lights beyond the sky. I'll be with you eternally. I'm an addict for your love, it keeps me high, keeps me high. Can I be your star tonight? You fill my soul with light the day we met. I don't wanna leave your side, no. Have me by your side when the sun sets. I hope you'll still want me. I hope you'll still need me 1,000,000 years from now. The seasons are changing, the nights ever fading. It's time we left the ground. Let's leave for an eternity. We'll sail across the lights beyond the sky. I'll be with you eternally. I'm an addict for your love, it keeps me high, keeps me high.
Time to get these out of the mould. I have no idea what these have done. I did have some overspill. You can see where it's gone off one end, as I thought I might, because these were pretty full. Let's just have a look. I've got a piece of black and a piece of white card so we can have a look with the background. They're see-through. Ooh, okay. I might get them all out and then turn them over. I'll be really happy if this DecoRom resin dye paste in white works for blooms until I use up all of my old mix, which sometimes works and sometimes doesn't. I just haven't quite got the concentration right with it. And when I've used up all my old mix, I'll make up some more of my own. Oh goodness. Wow. There's a gorgeous shimmer in there. So the DecoRom does work as a bloom mix. 1 drop in 30 grams has done really well. I did mix a bit of this little piggy pigment in there. I probably should have done a lighter green background, I reckon. But that's not too bad. Yeah, very nice. Wow. I'm so glad it worked. A lot of the ones that people are using overseas we can't get here in Australia. I got my DecoRom resin dye paste on Amazon. Wow, very pretty. There you go. I'll try and take some better photos, but that has worked gorgeous. I think I finally got this double technique out of my system. I'm really pleased that I found the DecoRom white paste and it works well for resin blooms, and also that I finally adjusted my white paste that I made for myself and it's worked okay for the lace. I didn't record it when I made my white paste, but I will next time, and I'll pop it up at a later date here on YouTube as I need to make some more soon. Thank you for watching, everybody, and have a great day. Bye for now.